Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the WhatsApp account on one iPhone. Let's get started. WhatsApp now officially allows you to use the WhatsApp account on the same iPhone. This means you can use one WhatsApp for personal use and another WhatsApp for work or business. To use the WhatsApp account on one iPhone, you need two different phone numbers. Both numbers must be able to receive OTP message. Now let's start. Take your iPhone and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure WhatsApp is updated to latest version from the App Store. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on an account. WhatsApp will ask you to log in or create a new account. Enter your second phone number. WhatsApp will send an OTP code to your second number. Enter the OTP in the app. Once verified, your second WhatsApp account will be added successfully. Now you can easily switch between both WhatsApp accounts. Both accounts work independently, separate chats, separate contacts and separate notifications. And that's it. This is how you can easily use the WhatsApp account on one iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.